Child, what girl code mean to me? Ew. Ew. I taste the pickles. Yeah, I don't like pickles on my sandwich. I did at first. Video, y'all already know what it is. I say this all the time because y'all already know what it is. So I was on my Instagram and I asked Instagram, like, what video should I do? Should I do a mukbang and a talk, or should I do a quarantine playlist? And y'all chose what y'all chose. As you can see by the title, it said mukbang talk. Okay. So there's really nothing much to explain. We about to just jump right over to the video. Oh wait, I forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds. 5 seconds, you know. Okay, so it should already be done. Y'all should already be liked. Y'all should already be subscribed, and y'all should already hit that bell, because for the next week it's gonna be another video. So y'all need to know when I post a video. Okay, so enough that yama, we about to go into the video. Let's get it. Okay, so today I will be eating Chick-fil-A. I got my head tied up because I don't want my head in the way. Let me get my hand sanitizer. Yeah, I had to change the scenery for y'all because I feel like y'all probably got tired of me being in my room and stuff like that. So, and plus, it wasn't enough space in my room for y'all to see me eat and for the thing to be propped up. So, yeah, I'm about to jump right in. So I asked Instagram, y'all know, I gave y'all the rundown, which I want, and y'all say y'all want this. Y'all, it's this hack that I learned. So you take your sauce right and you leave your chicken patty in the little thing. Oh, hold on. My mother was right. I should never got my nails this long, but it don't even, y'all, I'm struggling. Well, it don't even matter because I still gets it done. You see, I just opened it. It just took me a while to get there, but so you dump your sauce in there. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm doing? Yeah. So you dump your sauce in there. And then you close it back up. You close it back up like how it was, and you just shake. So the sauce can get on the patty. This is what I learned, y'all. This is what I learned. Then I asked y'all, what should I talk about? And one of the things I can remember was, hold on, let me just go to my iPad. Okay, so I'm back now. So I asked, only a few respond, but it's okay, because I don't want to make this video longer than what it is. So we're going to start with this one. I kind of like this one. It says, stuff you've done over quarantine. Okay, so the stuff that y'all look, hold on. That's that splat right there. Y'all feel me? But so what I done over the while we was quarantined, I pretty much much done nothing for real, for real. Like, it's just been the same old, same old. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what I got. I got a spicy chicken sandwich. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? That's spicy. Can't do nothing wrong with the spicy. So, I basically, oops, I'm all over the place today. I basically just been doing my schoolwork because I'm still in school with the online classes and stuff. I can't wait till next Friday. Next Friday is the last day. So, hold on, because I'm really struggling. So, I've been doing schoolwork. I created a schedule for myself so I can be on schedule, but April was a tough, all right. You know what? So I had to get my mom to do it for me because, y'all, it was not trying to open. Where was that? Oh yeah, so April was a tough month for me, so I had kind of got on schedule, but now I don't be doing nothing. Like, if my friends want to go out, I go out sometimes, okay? I still don't want to catch this corona stuff. My boyfriend want to go out, I go out with him too, but other than that, he'll just come over and we'll be in the house, watch a movie, or he just watch me do my schoolwork. Like, it really ain't nothing to it. Yeah. It really ain't nothing to it. Like, it's really boring. Can't wait for outside to open. But then again, you won't catch me outside when outside open because that's how you get that shit. That's how you get that stuff. Anyways, another person said life after high school. Life after high school, I'm going to college. Well, I don't know because at the same time, I don't want to go to college. Like, I want to go to college to get the experience. And of course to learn more, but I just don't want to deal with the financial problems that college comes with. Like, it's just a lot that comes with college financially, and I just don't want to deal with it. Which is why, part of the reason I don't want to go to college. But I am looking at colleges though. And I'm gonna go. Even though in the back of my head, I got this voice like, Nijaa, you know you don't want to go. You know you don't want to go. You know you don't want to go. So, I don't know. But if I do go to college, and after college, I'm gonna be in med school. I'm gonna still be in school regardless, cause I got cause I'm gonna be in the medical field. So I'm gonna be in med school. So my life after high school pretty much still gonna be the same. I'm gonna be learning, still be in school for like dozens of years, and that's just gonna be it. And hopefully my career is gonna take off like how I planned it's gonna take off. But yeah, I don't know. This freaking group chat. Don't y'all hate group chats? Like group chats are annoying. Like, you gotta go in a group chat, they be blowing up your phone. That's why I'm quick to put a group chat on Do Not Disturb. Please do not add me to no group chat, because I will put you on Do Not Disturb and I will be clueless on what y'all talking about. because, but not all group chats like that. Like some group chats, they don't text back that fast or stuff like that. But y'all might call me weird for this, but I do lick this part like. Extra sauce. Sauce, we don't waste sauce over here. Period. Someone said, girl code. I had to sip tea on that because y'all little girls out here do not respect girl code. I tell y'all, I'm telling y'all, these females out here nowadays are so freaking weird. Like I don't get it. I don't understand. Alright, I'm gonna just start off, cause this topic right here is like a big topic, so I'm gonna start off saying what girl code mean to me. Ew. Ew. I taste the pickles. Yeah, I don't like pickles on my sandwich. I did at first, but I grew out of that. Like, pickles are. Like, I can eat them by themselves, but I can't eat pickles on my sandwich. Like I can taste the pickles. Like, it's taking away the chicken flavor. Like, I don't like that. I keep jumping off topic. Let me get back on. So, what girl code means to me is like, are you loyal? What are you looking at? Y'all, my mother over there, she always trying to be nosy.
I ain't getting water.
She always want to watch me do my videos, but never want to be in them. Anyways, let me get back on topic. Loyalty. You gotta have some loyalty, y'all. Like, nowadays, people are not loyal. Like, they loyal, but they loyal to the wrong person. Like, what's another one? Like, you gotta have trust. If you don't have no trust, then you don't have no relationship and stuff. Like yeah. I don't know what else. Like, I can't explain it because I'm a good friend, in my opinion. I don't know what other people might think of me, but I'm a good friend, so. Yeah, that's just that. I don't really know how to break it down, but like, you just gotta be, those are the main two that I'm big on, like, loyalty and trust. And I feel like trust comes first, then loyalty. But, hey, I don't know. Alright, let me get to another topic in girl code, like, cause it's a, girl code is broad, but like, it's like different subjects, so yeah. Let me jump to another subject. Boys, when it comes to the girl code, like, y'all be letting these little boys wreck y'all friendships. Like, It don't give that. In my opinion, you should never put a boy over your girl, y'all friendship, because like that's just not acceptable. If hold on, I got a burp. If you dang, the burp just lost my concentration. If you talk to a boy or whatever, like a long time ago, and your friend trying to talk to him and stuff like that, that's not your friend, because in my opinion, friends do not go out with ex-boyfriends or ex-blue things or ex whatever you want to call it. Like, leave it alone. I know that the world is small and that it's bound to happen, like somebody that you know is bound to meet, you know, y'all get what I'm trying to say, but at the same time, you still shouldn't be messing with that your friend ex whatever, like, or you shouldn't do that. Hold on, cause I need some sauce. Yeah, I don't really got nothing to say on this topic, because like the certain stuff that I see, I don't do. Like, don't talk about your friends behind their back. Okay? Okay. And it felt with me. Make sure you keep your enemies closer. Well, I never necessarily understood that. Like, I don't want no hating female around me. Like, I'm not about to associate her, pretend to be her friend, and like, not even pretend to be her friend. Like, I just don't. So I had to switch my phone because this phone ran out of storage. God. But I didn't understand the analogy of, is that the word? I don't know, but I didn't understand how when people say keep your enemies closer, like, I'm not about to be friends with all that negative energy. Like, that's just, I'm not about that. Like, I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know, guys. Like, I don't got nothing to talk about. Like, y'all wasn't very entertaining. Like, y'all didn't give me no juicy topics to talk about. Oh my God, I keep getting the sauce on me. Like, this is my first mukbang. I think I did a terrible job. Like, now I'm getting irritated. Let me just come up with a topic. Oh no, somebody said talk about food. Ooh, I'm so sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna go with the foods I don't like. I don't like onions. I don't like pickles. I don't like tomatoes. When I say I don't like pickles, I mean, I just told y'all I like pickles. Well, there's a difference. I don't like pickles on my sandwich, like I said earlier. Yeah. I don't like peppers. I don't like a lot of stuff. I don't like cauliflower. Like, yeah, there's a lot of stuff I am a very picky eater. Like, I'm a very picky eater. I don't eat a lot of stuff. I never tried Caribbean food, so yeah, I need to try that. Yeah. What the? Like, just look at this. I forgot to do my thumbnail. Take my thumbnail picture, but it's okay. I should do it right now. Be like Chickfila. I probably got other stuff in my braces. That's not cute. Yeah. That's the topic I'm about to talk about. That's what I'm about to talk about. All my braces, people out there, y'all know the struggle. Man, sometimes I can't wait for these to come out my mouth. But then sometimes, like, it made me who I am. Like, not like mentally and all that other stuff. But I'm talking about like, hold up, because because that was a hot piece. Like, bro, I was about to die, but y'all, I'm talking about like physically. Like, it made me look better physically, in my opinion. So that's why I don't want to take them off. But then again, like, the struggle, like, with these braces, like, when you eating, you get food stuck in your braces 24/7. You gotta clean your, make sure your teeth is clean, and picking and all that other stuff. Like, that stuff is so tiring. Like, yeah. And then you gotta schedule your appointments. Then if you break a bracket or wire, it's like a lot. That's the view coming out your pocket and paying for it. Now, I don't know about your health insurance and all that type of stuff, cause my peoples, they cover my stuff, so you paying. It's most definitely a struggle if you paying braces out of pocket, because braces ain't cheap. They are not cheap at all. I want to do a seafood boil, but see, I don't even eat seafood like that. Like, y'all might go on me in the comments about this, but seafood is not even all that. Like, I don't see what's so special about it. Like, nobody's spectacular. Like, it's not even all that good. Like, but I want to have one. But I gotta have it with people that's gonna eat it. Cause I know I'm not gonna eat all of it. So I might just give it to them. But I don't know. I need somebody to do it with me. Like, but I'm gonna have a seafood boil. I wanna try it. This is I feel like I'm gonna pee myself. But if I do another mukbang, it's probably gonna be seafood boil. Just look out for that. I'm full, man. Let me go back up. Cause I gotta end the video. Cause I'm done. See, I told you I was a picky eater. Like, sometimes I don't even eat all my food. Yeah, but I ate all my fries though. That's one thing about me. I love fries. Like, fries is so good. They are so good. So this was the end of the video. I tried, y'all. Like, y'all ain't give me enough topics to talk about. Some juicy topics to talk about. Some topics that I won't talk about, because the topics that y'all gave me was not it. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. I tried. I know this mukbang might be some sugar honey iced tea, but we're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. Trust the process. Trust the process. We're gonna get better. My mouth is burning. Whew. But anyways, this concludes the mukbang video. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to hit that bell. We gonna hit that bell. I have fun doing it because I'm greedy, even though I'm a picky eater, but I'm greedy. So yeah, that was a good little meal, a good little chit chat or whatever. So I love you guys and thank you for watching. Bye.